Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new tech reviews and gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a mini LED video light. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we are reviewing a mini pocket video LED light from the company Ulanzi, and this is the model VL100. And this is a very nice LED light panel, and for its size, this is really compact and small. But when I show you guys it's how bright it can get, you guys will be really amazed that this LED light that is this small can power like basically a whole hallway or a whole room. It's really incredible what this LED light can do. But before we get started with this product review, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications, especially if you're new to our channel. If you guys do like this video, make sure you go down below and also leave a like, letting me know that you guys like this video. If you guys have any questions or concerns, make sure you leave a comment down below in the comment section, as I read every single comment and reply to every single comment I receive. If you are a business owner or a company owner and are interested in working with us, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message and we can potentially work together on a product review. And then if you guys want to follow us on social media, we have various social media platforms that we are active on. You guys can go down in the description and you guys can find all our social media platforms that we're on and follow us to stay connected, or basically, reach out to me in a quicker way. It'll be shown throughout the video and you guys can follow us. And yeah, right now we're going to switch our attention over back to this LED mini pocket LED light. By now we're going to move on to the the unboxing and the first look portion of this video. So this mini pocket LED light has a very minimalistic packaging. You guys can see on the front it just has the LED light and some text, which is, I'm guessing, no, that is the model name. And on the back there is specifications of this LED light. So the packaging is really minimalistic and simple. But in order for you guys to actually see this in a closer view, we're gonna move this over to a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot of. So you guys can see it in front of this screen, like I stated earlier, that is the LED light right there. It just says mini LED video light. And then on the back right here, there's just a few specifications, so like you guys can take a pause and look at that if you can read it. And yeah, so now we're gonna move on to actually unboxing this LED. All you have to do is kind of bring this plastic piece up, and it comes off like that. And then you move this cardboard piece of paper, and we're gonna actually set that off to the side. And you guys can see the LED light just rests inside right in the middle of this plastic encasing. And now we're gonna just set it down onto the table. At the moment it looks yellow, but once you actually shine the light on, you can't even tell that it's yellow. It's actually white light that actually is showing throughout, but you guys will see that in the test and demonstration portion of this video. So what I'm going to do now is just construct the box and put it off to the side. You guys can see it is really minimalistic. It does have a hot shoe base, so you guys can put this onto tripods, or you can put this onto cameras to basically give it a light. And it's really simple. It does have the on and on switch is right here. It's actually not a switch, it's a dial. On the side right here, this uses USB-C charging. So in order to charge this, you would actually have to use a USB-C. Obviously with that being the new leading edge of USB cables, more people are starting to have access to them. And then, like I said earlier, this is the hot shoe base, and there's a screw thing that you can actually screw this onto your cameras and make it, more, more compact and strong and connected to the camera. There we go. And yeah, it's really nice though. But right now we're gonna move on to the the test and demonstration portion of this video. Alright, so now we're actually going to test out and actually demonstrate the use of this mini pocket LED light. And like I said earlier, there's a dial on the back, and all you have to do is switch the dial, and it turns on. So you guys can see I'm slowly increasing the brightness, and I'm going to increase it all the way to its highest brightness. In fact, I'm actually going to face it onto me. I have a lot of light panels already on, but you guys can see how bright and extremely bright I look. And it looks like I actually do need to charge this LED mini light. I completely forgot to charge it, but we're going to make this, test and demonstration portion really simple. I do have a tripod that, like I said, you guys can mount this onto a camera, or you can mount it onto a tripod. I have this, potty kind of tripod that we're going to mount it onto. So we're just going to take the top off and basically screw this into the back. I'm going to put this back onto the tripod, and basically we're just going to set it up. You guys can see it is on, and now we're going to switch it on, and then you guys are going to see that it's going to basically light up this area. I'm going to turn off all these lights around me, and then we're also going to see its brightness capabilities. So let's just turn it on and see how bright it is and how it looks on me. Wow, that is really, really bright. Especially looking at it, it is really bright. In fact, it is so bright that you'll be amazed like the distance it's covering, because it's such a small and compact LED light, but it has the range, you know, and it looks really nice. And like I said, I need to charge it, so it just died on me. But let's turn off all these lights to actually see this LED light in function, in action, and just to see its overall brightness by itself. So at the moment, you guys can't really see me except for with the computer screen, so it's really dark right now. But within a few seconds, you guys are gonna see this whole area light up with this LED mini pocket light. So we're gonna switch it on. Oh, there we go. Wow. That's extremely bright, dude. That is extremely, extremely bright. You guys can actually even see the shadow behind me. So this LED light panel, not light panel, but LED mini pocket light is really bright and powerful. And like I said, it is really, really low on battery. So basically, I need to charge this. And I completely forgot to charge it prior to making this video. So we gotta make this demonstration really quick. But you guys can see it covers this whole wall and area. And like I said, it just died again. So it is really, really low on battery, so we can't really test this out for a long period of time. But you guys can see it is really bright. And yeah, so now we're gonna move on to the unboxing, not unboxing, but our final reflections and remarks, and end off this video. I'm sorry that I can't really fully test this out. I need to actually get a USB-C cable, and this wasn't, you know, fully charged before I actually got it. And now we're just gonna, you know, talk about our final opinions and end off this video. As you guys can see with the test and demonstration portion, you guys can see that the LED mini pocket light is really powerful, and you know, being able to actually light up basically the whole wall. And I was actually really shocked of how powerful and bright it was. When I was looking at it, it was actually kind of, you know, blinding me in a way, because it's just that powerful. I am sorry, like I stated earlier, that, you know, I didn't realize I needed to fully charge this. I don't actually have a USB-C cable at the moment, so I wasn't able to charge it, so I'm sorry for that. But at least you guys can see for a few moments that, you know, this LED light does have the possibilities. And if I'm able to get footage outside, like at dark, you know, when it's nighttime, and with the use of this LED mini pocket light, I will include it into the video so you guys can actually see this in function outside and see how bright and how far of an area it covers at nighttime. Because this is perfect for vloggers or anybody who just wants a small little it's basically a small little flashlight in a way, because it's portable, it's mini, and you can easily fit it in the pocket, you know, hence the name mini pocket LED light. And yeah, I really like how small, compact it is, and how bright it is, because it can really cover a whole area. But I hope you guys, regardless, hope you guys do enjoy this review. This was from the company Ulanzi, and this is the VL100 model of this, portable mini LED pocket light. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this product review. I know I did making it. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and also turn on post notifications to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload onto this channel. If you guys did like this video, make sure you go down below and leave a like. That just basically informs me on if you guys did enjoy this video or not. If If you guys have any questions or concerns or just need any assistance at all, just go down in the comment section down below and leave a comment, and I will be glad to give you guys assistance or aid in any way. If you're a business owner or a company owner and actually want to work with me, our business inquiries email is CrewEliteYT@outlook.com. That is where you guys can shoot me a message and we can potentially work together on a product review in the future. And then if you guys want to follow us on social media, our links are always down below in the description as always, but it's been shown a couple times throughout the video. You guys can follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected, and that's also a faster way to reach out to me. But yeah, this was my review of the Ulanzi mini pocket LED light. It is really portable, it's small, compact. That's why I really like it. And then what I like the most about it is its power capability. Even though it's a small size, really compact, it has the ability to basically lighten up this whole entire wall, and I was really amazed. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this product review video. I know I did making it, and I'll see you all on the next one. CrewElite signing out. Thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.